Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make flour tortillas from scratch. To get started, we need 285 grams of all-purpose flour, 2 grams of baking powder, 4 grams of salt, 135 grams of warm water, 70 grams of oil. I like to use a nice neutral avocado oil for these. Mix all the dry ingredients and then mix the oil and water. Once you have most of your flour mixed in, put it onto your cutting board and knead it for 4 to 5 minutes. Then wrap it in plastic wrap and let it rest for 20 minutes. This will give the gluten in the dough a chance to relax. You can use a stand mixer if you want, just be careful not to overwork the gluten in the dough. By the way, make sure you stay till the end of the video for some special footage and a bonus recipe that I think you'll like. Now that the dough is ready, you'll want to portion the dough and roll it into balls. You can eyeball it if you want, but consistency is king, so I'm going to use my scale and portion it at 30 grams, which will give us 16 tortillas. When I roll them into balls, I get the general shape by rolling them on the cutting board first. Then I roll it between my pinky and my thumb to tighten the ball all the way up. If you're not comfortable doing this, you can just roll it in between your hands. These need to rest for 15 minutes before we roll them out. Alright, now it's time to make the tortillas. We want to start by flattening it out into a circle by pushing from the center out. Then using our rolling pin, just keep working the edges all the way out. It's okay if they're odd shaped, we'll just call them rustic tortillas. I have my cast iron skillet over medium heat. These cook pretty quickly in the pan, so be ready to flip once they start to bubble up. Hit the like button if you like watching the tortillas puff up. Flip it and let it cook for a few seconds on the other side, then put them in my tortillero to keep them warm until I'm ready to eat them. Whoops, it's okay. Okay, yeah. Okay, let me see. Let's make it a little bit bigger. Ah, you're so good. Okay, thank you. If you made it this far and found value in this video, hit that like button. And here's a recipe for my chipotle butter. 2 to 3 chipotles, half of a lime juiced, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1/8 cup of cilantro chopped, and a half a cup of butter, and you just mix it all together. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you love tortillas as much as I do, drop me a comment and let me know. Are you a flour tortilla or a corn tortilla person? Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. See you next time.